Hey guys, want to drive or deliver with Jeeny in Saudi Arabia or Jordan? I'll show you how to register correctly using the driver portal, upload docs, verify and get approved fast. So on your phone, open the Jeeny driver registration website at drive.jeeny.me or the Jordan sign up link. Choose your city from the drop-down list. Provide your phone number and gender. You'll receive a OCP. Enter it to verify your account. After that, you will need such documents: national ID, driving license, vehicle registration, profile picture, and additional documents if needed, if applicable. After that, choose whether you're signing up for ride-hailing or express delivery. Click Submit. You'll see a success screen. Jeeny will review your documents and notify you when your account is approved. And that's it. Your Jeeny driver account is now set up. If this guide helped, tap like and subscribe for more ride-hailing tutorials. Happy driving and see you on the road.